Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing the giveaway video for this coin. Now this coin was very kindly donated to me to give away by PowerCoin. Now if you don't win today's giveaway, there is a link to this coin in today's video description, and PowerCoin has also kindly given me a 5% discount code for my subscribers. So do head over and check out PowerCoin's website if you haven't already. Very kind of them to send me this coin to give away for today's giveaway. So thank you very much, PowerCoin, if you're watching today's video. Now let's get straight into it and see who has won this absolutely stunning coin. So we're going to paste the link of the video in here. We're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to include replies to comments, because there were some people that commented carrot with a double T, and then they replied to their own comment and they corrected the spelling. So we're going to include replies to comments so they also get entered into the giveaway. And we're going to filter comments based on specific text. And the word I asked everyone to put was carrot. Right, let's generate and see who has won. 178 comments, and Serpent Silver has won. Absolutely brilliant. Serpent Silver is also a 365 Club member. So really pleased that you've won this. Congratulations, Serpent Silver. Please do drop me an email with your address and I'll get this coin out to you as soon as possible. His comment said, "That's an awesome giveaway. Love the little Lego guy. Why carrot though?" Now, Serpent, there was no particular reason why I picked carrot. It was just the first word that came into my head. So that's the reason I said carrot, and I thought it was a bit random as well. I thought it would confuse people that hadn't watched the video and they just were kind of scrolling through the comments and they saw everyone writing carrot. I thought it would really throw them off and confuse them a little bit. So it was a little bit of fun there as well. But yeah, thank you very much to everyone that entered. Like I said, there is a link to this coin in today's video description if you wanted to pick up one yourself with 5% discount from PowerCoin's website. As always, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.